Hi, I'm Sam Kingsley from the Brainary. I'm our head of STEM education and assistive technology, and today I'm going to be going through the TAPit platform, which is over my shoulder here. So we'll get right into it. The TAPit platform is a specialised interactive touchscreen that's been designed specifically for people with a disability, and there's a number of design factors that are really important that make it really accessible for someone with a disability. So I'm going to go through those quickly and give you a quick demo of how it works. So the first thing that I'd like you to have a look at is, and we'll pan down to the bottom of the screen here, we've got a half moon base at the bottom of our screen. This means that anybody with a wheelchair can roll up to the screen and get really close. And then I'm going to move across the other side here and I'm going to adjust our screen. So at the moment I'm probably on a 45-degree tilt. So I'm going to just lift that out to give you an idea about how much we can change and customize our platform for the person who's using it. So we're going to go right up to completely flat, and we're going to be able to swing that right back in flush with our stand there. So alongside the tilt here, we can also adjust our height. So we can go right up for someone who's needs to be standing to use the platform, to someone seated, or someone on the floor. So I'll drop that right down as well. And we've just got our control panel on the right of the screen here. So as I'm dropping this right down, what you'll also notice is the whole platform is made out of metal. It's really tough and durable, and our screen is also really tough too. So I can give it a big whack and be really confident that I'm not going to do any damage to the screen. So that hurt my hand more than it's going to hurt the screen, and we're still ready to go. As I'm raising our screen back up again to a height that I'd like to use it at, what I'll draw your attention to is our desktop on the screen here. So what we've got is a computer just on the back, which is connecting into our screen. So we can use Mac or PC, and all we're doing is turning that computer into a touch accessible computer with our touchscreen here. With all our TAPits, we provide a PC with Windows and a wireless keyboard and mouse. So that makes it really easy from a facilitator teaching perspective, because you can actually assist with using the system from a management perspective, but we've still got that touch access here. What I've got up on the screen here is a fun free program called ArtRage, and using ArtRage I can demonstrate some of the touch.